welcome to another episode on the AM show. I am Abhilasha Mehta. I am mummy to two young children. I am the wife of an amazing entrepreneur. I am the CEO, founder, director, everything rolled into one for my brand Ek Dori, and I am a YouTuber. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about a few very important things about your health, which is why I would request you to watch this video right up till the end. So sometime back, I did a video on Noni Juice. A lot of you also told me that you felt it was very beneficial for you. If you haven't seen that video yet, the link is in the description box and here. So I thought, why not make a video about another superfood? So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Moringa leaves, how to consume it, what are the benefits, who should have it, who should not have it, all your questions answered in this video. So let's start from the very beginning. What really is this Moringa? Now, Moringa is a tree that has been growing in India and that has been used by Ayurveda for thousands and thousands of years. So in Sanskrit, the Moringa tree is known as Sohnjna, it is called Sohnjna, it is called Sohnna, it is called Sigru. It has many names. In English, it is also known as the drumstick tree, which is thanks to the fruit that it bears. It is also known as the tree of life, and it is known as the miracle tree. So you can imagine just how miraculous the benefits of Moringa are. So whenever we talk about food groups with our children, we tend to tell them, oh, have your carrots, this is good in vitamin A, it's good for your eyes. Have your milk, it is rich in calcium, it is good for your bones, it will make you strong. But when we talk about Moringa, all these things that we find in different food groups, all of it combined together is what you get from 1 cup of chopped leaves of Moringa. It has more vitamin C than an orange. It has more calcium than milk. It has more protein than your dal. In fact, it is a more complete protein because in your dals, you do not get your amino acids, whereas in Moringa, you will get your essential amino acids as well, which helps you absorb the protein, and you get 3 grams of protein approximately for every tablespoon of Moringa powder. Okay, so let's talk about all the benefits of Moringa. Maybe not all because the list is super long, but let's talk about few of the many benefits of Moringa. So number 1 is that it is super rich in antioxidants, which is why it fights free radicals, it helps with anti-aging, it makes our skin look good, it makes our nails look good, and it makes the hair look good. You can also add Moringa powder in your face packs and use it on your face. Number 2 is that it is highly anti-inflammatory. So if you have joint pain or pain of any sorts, or if you have swelling in the body, this can be very useful. It is really good for the heart because it prevents the arteries from being thickened. It prevents fat from being stored within the arteries. It keeps the arteries clean and nice. Now let's talk about the liver. The liver is the filter of our body, and Moringa helps to keep the liver functioning well and in good health. It helps prevent fatty deposits from accumulating on the liver. Moringa lowers your blood sugar and it lowers your cholesterol. It is especially useful for women because it helps to balance the hormones in women, especially if you are going through menopause. This could be very useful. It also helps to keep the thyroid levels in good condition. So it really is beneficial for any hormonal dysfunction. Moringa contains 30% fiber, which is why it is really good for our digestive system, and it naturally is antibacterial and an antibiotic, which is why any kind of digestive system inflammation or infection can be taken care of by having Moringa. In fact, when our cattle and cows graze, they naturally graze on leaves of the Moringa, and that is what keeps their digestive system really strong. It is really rich in calcium, which is why it is good for your bones, and if you are experiencing the start of arthritis, osteoporosis, this is a supplement that could really benefit you. Moringa is also really good for brain health. You must have heard a lot about Alzheimer's and dementia these days. Studies have shown that it could help manage these diseases. Now, this is a long list of benefits that you could get from having Moringa on a consistent basis. However, before starting any supplements, any vitamins, minerals, you must consult your doctor. Who should not consume moringa? Moringa should not be consumed if you are pregnant, and moringa should not be consumed if you have some kind of an intense chronic liver problem, and if you are on some kind of liver medication. You must then talk to your doctor before taking moringa. So now let's talk about how to consume this amazing, miraculous superfood. Okay, so if you have a moringa tree around you, then you can just pluck the leaves, wash them, and eat them. They are not very bad to taste. They just taste like leaves. They're not as bad as neem leaf. You can make sabzi out of it. You can make a vegetable out of it. It is used in chutneys also. Drumstick, of course, the fruit is used in sambars and various Indian vegetables. So you can use it like that. Even the root of this tree is supposed to be very, very beneficial. It is treated like a radish, and you can make a vegetable out of it. You can make salads out of it. So it's supposed to be very tasty as well, but I haven't tried the root yet. Pluck the leaves. Dry the leaves. Don't dry them in very high heat, so that all the vitamins, antioxidants, all the good stuff in the leaves still remains and that doesn't get altered. Once the leaves are completely dry, you can put them in a blender and make a powder out of it. Store the powder in a glass bottle and have it every day. Just make sure that when you dry the powder, it is completely dry before you blend it. If there is any amount of moisture in the powder, there'll be fungus growing on it and it will be destroyed. All your mehnat will be destroyed. If you don't have a moringa tree around you, then what you can do is moringa powder is very easily available these days. You will find it on Amazon. You will find it in any of the big superstores. All you have to do is buy that and have that on a daily basis. How do you have it and how much do you have? If you are just starting out and you have never consumed a natural supplement before, then you will start small, start slow. So just have 2.5 grams or so, half a teaspoon of the powder every day. Then you build it up to 5 grams every day, and then once you think your body is used to it and it works for you, then you build it up to 5 grams in the morning, 5 grams in the evening. 2 times a day you will have 5 grams, and yeah, that's it. Now, how do you have the powder? You can mix the powder pretty much in anything. You can put it over pasta, over dal, over sabzi, over anything. But I have seen that it alters the taste of the food a little bit. It's like adding grass and leaves to your food. So I prefer not to do that. So what I do is I'll take 1 teaspoon of the powder, add it to a glass of half a glass of water, or how much ever water you want, mix it and then have that. So it's like a little shot and I'm done with it. I don't have to mix it with my food. That's how I have it. You can find your favorite way of having it. Now, if you try it and if you don't like it, or if you want to start with something which is a little milder, then you also get blends of greens, which will typically be your spirulina, moringa, and beetroot powders and various other powders, all of them blended together. So then the taste is a little bit better. I have tried those super greens also, and I think those taste a little better than just having moringa powder. So the choice is yours. Let me know in the comments below whether you've had moringa, tried moringa, liked it, not liked it. What have you tried that you like? Let me know everything in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.